Led by a superb spell from captain Jason Holder, the West Indies senior men's team pulled off a dramatic 11-run victory over India in the fourth one-day international at the Sir Viv Richards ground in Antigua today.
West Indies have claimed a rare ODI win after Jason Holder led the hosts to victory over India in a low-scoring affair.
West Indies keep hope alive in the series.
Openers Evan Lewis and Kyle Hope found the fence early.
Nice shot, that one.
Before Hope failed.
Should be a simple catch, yes.
And Lewis followed.
Out.
While India rued some careless fielding, their left-arm leggy sparked a collapse.
And Kuldeep Yadav here once again.
As his namesake consigned the Windies to a measly 9 for 189.
Taken. Very good action from Umesh Yadav.
In reply, India lost their skipper to his counterpart.
Kohli fails for the second time.
As Ajinkya Rahane made the West Indies pay for a let-off.
Half century to Ajinkya Rahane.
While Hardik Pandya got inventive.
Oh well. The bowler's looking down and saying, what happened there?
And MS Dhoni did his thing on the way to the slowest half-century of his career.
His 74th 50.
The visitors' canter to an easy win was stopped in its tracks by the rampant Holder.
Bowled him.
The skipper claiming his best ever ODI figures in a memorable victory in Antigua.
And Jason Holder gets a fifer. West Indies keep hope alive in the series.